Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP and Inspire, and now I can show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, my network indicator is blinking and I need to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi. And to do it, first we need to open the control panel and click on the settings button. Then scroll down and find here network setup, click on it. Choose wireless settings. First we need to enable wireless if you have disabled the wireless. So of course you will not be able to connect to the Wi-Fi network, and if your wireless connection is disabled, your wireless icon will not blink, light or something about it. So firstly we need to enable the wireless connection. Okay, so now it's searching for wireless routers, but we just need to connect to wireless, not automatically. And so what we need to do, we need to scroll down and here find wireless setup wizard, so click on it, and now it will search for new connections. Here you need to find the router you want to connect. If you don't see the router you want to connect, maybe this router works in Wi-Fi 8 or Wi-Fi 5G and 8 at the same time. So Wi-Fi 5G and its generation unfortunately sometimes can be undetectable for old devices and for our printer too. It's not old, but sometimes it's undetectable. But in my case, as you can see, I have 5G and 2.4G, and my printer is detecting both of them. Okay, so let's connect to the 2.4G. I suggest you to connect to 2.4G because this connection is more stable, and if your router is not near of your printer, it's a good idea to connect to 2.4G because it's more stable. Okay, so firstly we need to click touch to enter the password, or you can click on your router VPS button and then router will be automatically connected. But we can click touch to enter the password and we can start to enter the password. I have difficult password, so by clicking on the numbers button you can enter the numbers. Here you have shift button. In this way enter buttons, enter letters, and then you can choose numbers again and click OK. And great, that's it. As you can see, my printer is successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. This is my network name, MAC address, host name, bonjour name, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.